In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent copy-paste in Figma. If you need to keep your designs from being copied, pasted, or exported by others, Figma includes a simple permission you can toggle. Just note that this control is available on paid plans. I will walk you through exactly where it is, what it does, and a few practical tips to avoid surprises. Start by opening the Figma file you want to protect. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the Share button. This is the same share control you use to invite collaborators or generate a link, and it's where Figma keeps all the permission settings for the current file. When the sharing panel opens, look for the area that shows who can access the file. This is typically labeled with something like "unknown" with the link. Or it may list specific team members or roles. Click that permissions section to expand the detailed settings. This brings up the advanced controls that go beyond just who can open the file. Now, in the advanced section, find the option labeled "Viewers can copy, share, and export from this file." Deselect this setting. That one change is what prevents viewers from copying layers, duplicating the file, exporting assets, or otherwise taking content out of your design. As soon as you uncheck it, Figma applies the restriction to that file. You can close the panel when you are done. Here is no separate save button. A few important notes to keep everything clear. This setting affects viewers, not editors. Anyone with edit access can still modify and export. So if you need stricter control, consider changing someone's role to viewer rather than editor. Also, this restriction is file-specific. If you have multiple files, repeat the same change in each one where you want to limit copying or exporting. If you don't see the setting, you may not be on a paid plan or you might not have permission to change file-level access. In that case, check with your team admin or upgrade the workspace. Remember that this prevents copying and exporting from within Figma. But it doesn't block someone from taking a screenshot. For sensitive work, pair this setting with careful sharing, limit who has access, use invite-only links, and periodically review file permissions, so only the right people can view the content. That's it. Thanks for watching.